Hi amigas, let's make strawberry horchata. Yum. Okay, we're gonna start off by warming up some water. We're gonna grab 1 cup of long grain rice. Do not use jasmine rice. It adds a floral taste to it. It tastes awful. At least I think so. Use long grain rice. 1 cinnamon stick. You cannot use ground cinnamon. It has to be a cinnamon stick. Did you guys know half of the cinnamon in the grocery stores is fake? I saw a documentary on that. I love documentaries. All right, now we're going to grab our warm water and we're gonna fill it and cover all that cinnamon and rice. Cover it and set it aside for 3 to 4 hours. The longer, the better. If you're doing overnight, put it in the fridge. Now we're going to sweeten our water. Did you know that sugar dissolves better in just plain water? So dissolve your sugar in the plain water and it will dissolve so fast and so much better than trying to dissolve it into milk water. Okay, now we're grabbing 1 can of condensed milk. I was going to use 2, but I decided not to overly sweeten it. Make sure you use all that condensed milk. Condensed milk is so good. When I was a kid, my mom would make us pancakes, and instead of syrup, I would use condensed milk. I see diabetes in the future for me. I know it. I feel it. All right. Now, my A1C is screaming right now. Okay, so now we're going to open our cans of evaporated milk. Make sure to clean the top of your cans. You never know where those cans have been. Dissolve all the condensed milk into the sugar, into the water. Perfect. Now we're going to add our evaporated milk into the water. 2 cans is going to add a really creamy milkiness. I prefer using evaporated milk over like a gallon milk because it stores better in the fridge. You can keep it in your fridge up to 6 to 7 days. All right, a big splash of Molina vanilla. That's my favorite vanilla, but you can use whatever vanilla you have. And you want to incorporate those by mixing those together. All right, now that you've done all of that, you're going to blend your rice, water, and cinnamon in the blender with a tiny bit of the water from the sweet water that we already made. And we're going to blend that until it took about a minute for my blender to do it. Now the most important part, strain it. You do not want large chunks in your agua fresca. So just strain it. I know it looks like it was going to overfill. I ended up making regular horchata because Julian doesn't like strawberry, and then I made a little bit of strawberry because I like it. All right, and there you are. There's your original horchata. Now we're going to make it strawberry. So you're going to grab all your strawberries. I'm just checking to see which ones are sweeter or more red because some of them are a little green. We're going to wash them and clean them well because we don't want no bugs in our agua fresca. Unless you're trying to get a little cleanse, get the bugs, friend. Pero pues yo no quiero. All right, now we're going to cut the stems off of our strawberries. I know, so much explanation needed for this. What agua fresca should we make next? I think the next one I want to make is coffee and banana flavored horchata. I also want to make agua de frutas, and I want to make agua de calua, and I have a lot of agua de piña, agua de melon, watermelon, strawberry agua fresca. The possibilities are endless. All right, add some water to your blender, a little bit of water, and 3 tablespoons of sugar to make it like a sweet puree. And you're going to blend your strawberries, the sugar, and that tiny bit of water to make it into like a strawberry puree. So. All right, now that you've done that, grab your horchata. There we are. Throw in your strawberry puree. Mix it well so it doesn't separate. There we are, adding it to our ice pitcher. There it is. Enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. A ver qué pienso. I like it. Bye.